All right, I got stuck in the snow, and luckily I was able to call Mike, who's back at the shop, and he can come and get me dug out here, because this road was already plowed once, but the drifting, it basically just closed it in. So thank God I got a helper with the skid steer on hand, ready to go. Because as you can see, I am stuck. And I was going good, just driving home, ready to go home and do some office work and call it a day of fun plowing and having a good time. Actually, I was up doing some powder surfing. You can see my board there in the back, but it wasn't that much fun. The snow just wasn't letting me go, wasn't letting me slide, fly and feel free the way I like to. So I'm gonna get pulled out here, dug out. Mike's gonna dig me out. Mike's having fun. I'm gonna throw some time lapse on here to make it look cool. Aside from getting stuck, it's fun. Just slide around. Know how to handle the machine. It's good times. And other than getting stuck, which is a pain in the ass, it's a good way to practice. You can get stuck in the dirt and in the mud too. So the thing about getting stuck in the snow is it usually doesn't do as much damage to the equipment. We have traffic backed up as well, so this ought to be interesting. This one's gonna hopefully not back into me. Caterpillar motor graders. Nice piece of equipment right there. Grading. Underappreciated art. You're moving water around, you're making it flat, it's smooth, thinking about drainage and compaction, mostly drainage. Smooth moving water, that's what you gotta think about when you're grading. That's my motto. Go with the flow, be with the zen, the art of the Tao. Doubts can be named, if not the doubt. Got a Caterpillar motor grader here with chains. and a plow, a push plow. And over here we got the same thing. This is a John Deere push plow from Four Rivers Rental Company. Four Rivers, they're a source of road graders in case we need to rent one at any point. The wider this gets, I should be able to get out here and let some traffic come around, get out of his way. So you can open it up a little more, let all this traffic in.